Hey, it's Garrick. Welcome back to my channel. It just got cheaper for you to charge your Tesla at home in the state of New Jersey. And on top of that, I'm going to show you how you can purchase this JuiceBox and have it installed for less than $100. All right, follow me. Let's go check it out. In order to receive charging credits, you need to find out what the credits would be from your local utility provider. I will be reviewing the updated credits from my utility provider, PSEG. You need to log into your PSEG account, scroll down to your See Electric Vehicle Program, and you will have to click on Learn More. As soon as you do, you'll come to this page. Scroll down, and you can review the residential smart charging information. You can get up to a $1,500 bill credit or a check back for the installation of your level 2 charger. From what I was told, you can get the credit on the Tesla wall connector as well. If you need to update your amperage to handle the workload on charging a Tesla, you can get a reduction of up to $5,000 with PSEG. Please contact PSEG for more details. Off-peak hours is between 9 p.m. and 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, and all day Saturday and Sunday. As of June 1st, off-peak credits now 10.5 cents per kilowatt hour versus 2 cents per kilowatt hour before the change. That's a pretty good discount. At the same time of this recording, the current cost before credits is 21 cents per kilowatt hour, and the new credits will only cost you 11 cents per kilowatt hour to charge a Tesla. Rates may vary depending on when you view this video. For the Make Ready eligibility requirements, you will need to upload a receipt that you purchased a charger, must be an Energy Star certified level 2 charger, must have an approved vehicle, a town permit if needed through your town, and a certified New Jersey licensed electrician for EV smart charging. Please review the website for more details. Now for the credits. At this time of this recording, you receive a credit of 10.5 cents per kilowatt hour when you purchase and install a JuiceBox or ChargePoint charger. If you have a Tesla wall connector, your credit would only be 2 cents per kilowatt hour. Okay, let me show you how to get $250 back on your charger purchase. You will have to visit the Charge Up New Jersey website. I will have the link in the description. Click on an in-home charger incentive. Scroll down to see the requirements. As you can see here, both JuiceBox and ChargePoint is eligible for the $250 rebate. As mentioned before, you can only get the 10.5 cents kilowatt hour credit if you have a JuiceBox or ChargePoint charger. On top of all the savings from the state of New Jersey, from the federal government, you can receive a credit of up to 30% off the charger and installation with a total value up to $1,000, which means it costs you $2,000 for the charger and installation. You will only get back a credit of $300. Please advise with your CPA or finance professional. You can check out this article for Forbes. I will have the link in the description below. The credit was extended with the Inflation Reduction Act and will expire on December 31st, 2032. There are some changes to the credit from the previous year. You can claim credit on EV chargers designed for 2- and 3-wheel vehicles and bi-directional chargers. You can now combine the federal tax credit and state rebates for your EV chargers. This makes New Jersey one of the best states to buy an EV. No sales tax on EVs, low registration fees, and incentives on EV chargers. Alright, let me show you how you can get a JuiceBox and get it installed for under $100. I bought the JuiceBox for $599. The installation cost and permit fees were $1,400, making the total out of pocket of $1,999. I got back $1,400 from PSEG for the installation cost and permit fee, $250 rebate from Charge Up New Jersey, and I should be receiving a $300 federal tax credit when I file my 2023 taxes next year, making the total cost for the EV charger of $49 plus sales tax, making it under $100 for my setup. Let's calculate the savings with the new charging credits from PSEG. For the month of June and July, I've used a total of 569 kilowatt hours. With the new charging credits of 10.5 cents per kilowatt hour, I will receive a total credit of $59.75 versus the $11.38 I would have received with the old charging credits of 2 cents per kilowatt hours. That's a huge difference. I hope you got something out of my video. I will have all the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. If you have any questions or want me to go over anything, please leave a comment below. Alright everyone, I'll catch you all on the road.